Deep in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains lies the heart of the South. Over the years, our city has embodied the spirit of the old and the new South. But now it's giving birth to the next South in a way that no other city can. This is Birmingham, Alabama. Our rich culture of food, arts, and entertainment draws in new visitors from all over the country every day. Our gorgeous outdoor attractions leave millions breathless each year, and nowhere embodies what Birmingham has to offer better than Renaissance Ross Bridge Golf Resort and Spa. Built as a tribute to the Scottish family that settled and mined the area, our castle embodies our commitment to excellence and the essence of Southern hospitality. Our dedicated staff cultivates each guest experience and embraces the core values that makes our resort an award-winning institution. Our golf course is a staple in the world-renowned Robert Trent Jones Golf Trail of Alabama, with challenges for players of all skill levels and views of the most beautiful landscapes Alabama has to offer. Our state-of-the-art spa offers enriching relaxation, comfort, and peaceful time away with close friends, or all on your own. We accommodate families of all ages and sizes with our spacious rooms and suites, outdoor amenities, and plenty of spots to shop or eat a delicious meal. Join us anytime at our clubhouse for a beer, burger, or a salad in a laid-back atmosphere, or at night inside Brock's, our fine dining restaurant, for hearty Mediterranean entrees made with farm-to-table ingredients. Here, groups of all sizes can enjoy an unforgettable experience in a city that won't be forgotten. We would be thrilled to host your next convention, event, or forum. And we can't wait to show you what Renaissance Ross Bridge, Birmingham, and the next South have to offer.